Picture a city nestled against the backdrop of majestic mountains where tradition meets modernity. Welcome to Islamabad, the capital city of Pakistan, a hidden gem waiting to be explored. From the grandeur of the Faisal Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world, with its sleek, modern design, to the bustling markets of Jinnah Super, Islamabad is a city of contrasts. Explore the serene beauty of Damani Ko, a hilltop garden offering panoramic views of the city. Take a stroll in the tranquil Shakarparian Hills, or delve into history at the Pakistan Monument, a symbol of national unity. Discover the rich cultural heritage at the Lok Versa Museum, showcasing Pakistan's ethnic diversity. For nature lovers, Rawal Lake offers a peaceful retreat, while the Margalla Hills are perfect for hiking. And don't miss the sunset at Monal, where the city lights twinkle beneath the starry sky. End your day with a feast of local cuisine, from mouth-watering street food to fine dining experiences. So come and discover Islamabad, a city where every corner tells a story, and every moment is a memory waiting to be made. A city that encapsulates the spirit of Pakistan, resilient, vibrant, and full of surprises. This is Islamabad, endlessly fascinating and forever enchanting.